video. I have a rather odd, out of normal, typical video. This is going to be my failed games. So, when we are practicing games and filming games, a lot of times they don't work out quite as expected. I do try to play games that I found from like other websites and other YouTube videos, but then sometimes I also try to come up with my own, and a lot of times they just don't work out.
It's time to gather the kids to have a moment of fun.
I wonder what Mom has planned today with cups and marshmallows.
It's pink!
We can't put that in there. Meeting for the first time. Hi, my name is Shawn. On this channel, I am passionate about bringing families closer together through the lost art of fun and games. And we all could use a little laughter and a little uplifting with our family in this time of being quarantined at home. The first one was a peel a banana game. So I had this brilliant or not so brilliant idea. It was a minute to win a game, and you had to race to peel a banana with your teeth. Watch right here as what goes wrong. Watch to see what goes wrong. Yeah. Oh. Let me go up. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Blah. No, All right, failed game number 2 was the first version of the Irish soap game. So we did end up coming with a successful version, and you can see this in this year's St. Patrick's Day party games. I will link it in a card right up here for you to watch if you want to see the successful version of this game. But here is the failed version. So again, you can actually hold it here. This is gonna work.
Start at the top.
Set. Go. What was that?
I don't know what happened there.
Oh, it's too steep. You need to make it not so steep too. There you go. No, we need to wet it. Okay. Nope.
It did well the first time.
Alright, game number 3 is Tiny Hands Chess. So last year, people were doing all sorts of crazy videos with tiny hands. They were putting their makeup on. What else? Those were mainly the ones I was watching. I did do a video where we played Jenga with tiny hands. My son and I played Jenga. That one was really good. I'll link that one up here because that one was successful. But my husband and I decided to try and see if playing chess would be fun with tiny hands, and no, it wasn't. It was just as boring as a regular game of chess. Wasn't any funnier, or was it? Watch this clip right here. Oh, I love you too. I think I'm gonna move this guy right here so you can't reach it either. Oh, jeez. Alright, your turn. I'm gonna move this one right here. Right there. Not that one. Get back there. Not that one. Just that one.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. I got it. I got my phone. I got it. I got it. I got it. Here, come. Flip it. Here, come. Flip it. I'm gonna move this one right there.
I don't think that's
Okay,
what
Aww. was a recent video in one of my recent Easter videos. I will link it in the comment section down below. But it was bunny hopscotch. The game turned out perfectly, except I managed to have an injury. This clip was included in the Easter game, the successful Easter games video, but I had the sound turned off. So you couldn't quite hear what exactly happened and how I hurt myself. Watch this clip right here with the sound on to hear what my injury was. Yeah, I hurt myself doing hopscotch.
2, 1, go.
I'm gonna break my finger.
Waiting.
The last game, game number 5, is Punch a Piñata. My son is so good at helping me out with games, and he goes along with my crazy ideas a lot of times. We were trying to make hitting a piñata safer so no one else got hurt, so I had these giant inflatable boxing gloves, and we thought that this would be a better version of piñata, and watch what happens right here.
Oh, jeez. Oh, that's a big bee. That's a big bee. That's a bee. That's a bee. That's a bee. That's a bee. It's a bee. It's a bee. It's a bee.
All right, as you can see, we did not get the candy out of the piñata. We were just hitting it and nothing came out. So I don't recommend hitting a piñata with boxing gloves. It did nothing. A thumbs up is the best compliment you can give me. Subscribe if you too want to grow closer to your family through fun and games. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!